yet. I got up at about 6:10 this morning. I just woke up, so I got ready. I put on my dressing gown and came downstairs. You would have seen some footage already. I've just been knitting on the cowl that I started yesterday afternoon. Just watching some knitting podcasts. I watched Crea Bayer and now I'm watching Katie Jacks. And this is how much I got done since yesterday afternoon. It's very hard to show a black project, but it's literally just stockinette ribbing for maybe 1.5 to 2 inches, and then plain stockinette, and I'm just going to power through. Last night I got really bad pain in my fingers from doing this. It's on a slightly tighter gauge, but I want it to be really warm. Feeling fine this morning. Hopefully that's not a sign for the rest of December, because I've got a lot to be getting through. Let's recap. 5 sleeves, 2 neckbands, 1 cowl, 1 scarf, and that hasn't changed. We're further along with the cowl than we were yesterday, but I haven't been able to tick anything off yet, and I suspect I won't for at least a few days, so let's see how it goes. Off on our morning walk. We're going to a different set of woods today. I have chucked on an outfit just for dog walking, which is this very warm second-hand coat I picked up when I was in Camden, my Skein Deer knit jumper with leggings and some wellies. Mash is causing havoc, as she is every morning, but hopefully we'll have a nice walk. Come then, Mesh, let's go!
Marshy. Did we just watch The Grinch? The Grinch? Are you Max? Max, hand me my cloak.
I just got some knitting done whilst watching The Grinch with Rob and Mash, and now we're going to go for another walk. And then I'm going to come back and open my advent. Yes!
Might take a little while to cream up. Would you look at this? It's creaming. She said it wouldn't cream. I said you've got to keep going. That's creaming instead. And then she's making jokes about sexual cream.
Sexual cream.
Sexual cream.
That's technical.
That's what it's called. Yeah. If you go on Pornhub Club in sexual cream, you'll see everything you can see. I think it's just creamy enough. You need to cream some more. Cream some more. Say it again on that side.
The authorities said it took in 197 Albanian children between January the 1st
I can't do it and cream.
the 31st this year. Of those,
Either cream only or I eat only.
The council says
I can't cream and eat.
take a proactive.
I'm getting warm too. I can't trust you with a knife, can I?
Okay.
What'd you call that? Got a chunk?
Yeah, so it's all going to get melted, right?
No, but no, but they go into the cookies and then they melt like that. I don't want a massive blow of glucose.
Or maybe I do. You don't want massive glue in your face. And the deepest comes out. All good.
Slowly, a little bit. Give me like maybe a quarter. Yeah.
Yeah. I would have enjoyed creaming and pounding so much. You getting this, yeah? Yeah. Yeah, so I made this one, this one, and this one. She made these two ugly ones. So now I'm making the final ones.
Who's the artist in the family?
No, I mean, look at it, you can clearly tell that mine high quality, these ones here. Very, very clearly.
The face of a liar.
Maybe we should
Dishonest man alive.
We'll do 3 black and 3 white.
His big fat hands are in the way.
Oh, thanks. There we go. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know.
And this one.
Shit. Oh, that's a soft.
I actually like these better once they've cooled down. But good.
What's she done?
Going to football.
Oh,
Macadamia nuts are better.
yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, he's good.
Sing! Mash! Sing! Last time, ready? Sing! Don't hurt me.
Hey guys, it's getting late. It's way past my normal bedtime. I've been up editing. You can probably hear the fan on my laptop. We had so much, well, not so much, but the footage from this afternoon was so long. All of that cooking and then the baking that you saw. it was just so much footage, I had to edit it down. It was very funny. I had a really lovely evening. Before I go to bed, I still need to show you how much I've done knitting wise today and show you day 3. I did have a peek. This is the first opportunity I've got to film because we've been so busy. I definitely underestimated how much work this was going to be, Vlogmas. It's the editing. The filming is quite quick. I'm trying to do it quite, so I'm pulling something out of the knitting that's in my lap. I'm trying to do it quite relaxed and real and not trying to set up too many shots, but I end up with tons of content, so I've started to do some of the editing during the day and then finishing off the next morning because it was stressing me out, and otherwise I'd spend most of my morning editing and then not filming, and then I won't have content. So this is how the cowl is looking. I have now reached the ribbing, but to be honest, I have cramp in my forearms and they're really sore around my wrists because that's quite a lot of knitting for today, especially because I did knitting and then I did like cooking and baking and stuff, which all uses your hands. Yeah, I need a rest, but I will definitely be able to finish this tomorrow, probably in the morning. I've probably got about an inch or so of the ribbing left. Very happy about that. It means I can work on, sorry I dropped the yarn, it means I can work on something else this weekend and get closer to getting my list ticked off. It'd be very nice to tick something off. I feel like I haven't ticked something off in ages. But let's look at clue 3. Clue 3, that's not a clue. You know what I'm saying. Oh, I'm tired. Number 3. This one's definitely slightly moodier than the others, and I love it. It's gonna make a beautiful fade. I think they each 4 skeins has a inspired picture in that little booklet. Let me pop this back in. So I think when I have all 4, I'll show you the 4 and then we'll do the next 4 and then we'll see how the sets of 4 will fit together, if that makes sense. But I'm even more excited for this wrap now. Pigment and Ply is a bloody dying genius. Right. I think I'm going to finish up with the editing I've done so far. I'm really paranoid I'm going to lose it. It happened to one of my podcasts not that long ago. I just lost all of my editing for no apparent reason. So I'm really scared about leaving it overnight, even though I've pressed save last time that didn't work. But it is what it is. I'm going to finish that up, get into bed, read a little bit, and yeah, I need to go to bed. Night guys, see you tomorrow.